Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Naio Nails. In this video, we are going aquamarine crazy. When I say aquamarine, I mean turquoise, blues, greens, all that aquaness in this video. You kind of know what I mean, yeah? I hope so. So, all these colours, Izzy, they're all your favourite.
Yeah.
Tell me why you just love this one colour. When I say one colour, they're all turquoise.
Several colours.
Yeah.
Wow.
All shades of turquoise.
My forever nail inspiration is Liza Minnelli's character from Cabaret.
Yeah.
Sally Bowles, and she has these long emerald nails. And I saw the film when I was about 13. And I've just painted them that colour ever since.
And do you ever have any other colour?
I have no range whatsoever. I like every colour as long as it's turquoise.
And that's all you have?
Yeah,
at home.
always.
You know what? My mum's favourite nail colour is turquoise.
Well, it's the best one.
Also, my sister-in-law's, Ruth, her favourite colour is turquoise. So, I'll go through the colours that we're going to use today. And I've chose this kind of selection because we said, well, what would you want on your nails? And she's like, well, if I could have any colour, it would be turquoise. And I'm like, well, can we broaden that a little bit? So this is how we're going to broaden that. So if you have somebody that comes in the salon and says, I only want pink. Pink, that's it. Well, this is how you can just broaden the range a little bit and get them have something a little bit different without it being too in your face. Yeah?
Yes.
So we have this one, which I don't know the name of. It's 958. So this is the palest one. And then we have Spring Meadow. This is from the Pastels range. And we have Looking Glass. So you can tell we're getting a little bit deeper each time. Then we have Rich Teal. And then we have Bottle Green. All the colours of turquoise aquamarine. Now, Adam, are you going to argue and say they're blue or they're green?
No, I agree. They're all turquoise.
They're all turquoise.
Apart from the bottle green, but...
I love this look on a hand. You can do it in any colour. Pinks, lilacs, whatever. Whatever you want to do. You can just create this sort of ombre effect across all the nails. Each nail will be an individual colour. That's why we have 5 colours out. And we're going to start with the colour Bottle Green. To make this look work really well, you need to make sure that you have full coverage of the colour. So make sure you put those 2 coats on so you get the true colour. And also get nice and close to the cuticle. So you can always ease that back. Even though you would have done the prep work, just ease it back just so you can get nice and close. I'm going to cure the thumb first of all, and then I will do the 4 fingers together. You see how I'm splaying the brush out so it kind of fans out into that cuticle area. I'm not flooding the cuticle. It's so important to not flood the cuticle. Maybe this is where we put a picture of my beautiful niece's nails.
What does it mean though, flooding the cuticle?
So you will basically jam a load of product into the cuticle. And we don't want to do that because when it starts to grow out, it'll just sort of lift and chip.
Oh, yeah.
That's quite a good question because I kind of presume everybody knows what I'm talking about, and that's just me getting, complacent with my words.
Will it also cure to the skin, which will pull?
Yeah.
I've had that before, I think, with gel. And then when it grows out, it lifts and peels from that side.
So again, look at the angle of my brush as well. Get it nice and close and bring it down. Can sneak down the sides. Let the brush kick over the edges so you get a capped edge. Oh my god, you touched your finger. It's okay.
It's got wonky fingers.
Pop me those in the lamp. I think I'm going to put 3 coats of this on. I don't want to do it too thin. I prefer to do super thin layers. Right, go on, pop that in the lamp. Oh, the colours. I love them. This looks like black on camera. It's definitely not black.
Yeah, it does look much darker.
Yeah, it's not that dark.
No.
So I'm going to top coat these. Then I am going to add a little bit of bling. So they're still quite classy, but they have a bit of pizzazz. Put me on. Oh, look at all the colours.
I love it.
Love.
So happy.
What I'm going to do now is add a little bit of bling. I am going to buff a little bit where I'm going to put the bling because I'm going to use Acrygel and I want it to stick. Maybe just going to put the bling on these two. Don't want to take too much attention away from the beautifulness of the colours. You know, that subtle colour change. So I've just buffed where I'm going to put the bling. I'm going to wipe over with gel residue wipe off solution. And then using Acrygel, we're going to use It's Clear Dear. Going to put that on. A little bit of gel residue wipe off solution in a little dampen dish. You'll need that for your brush, just dampen that down. We're going to do both at the same time. Do not let me do one and let you put it in the lamp. Don't let that happen. Sometimes I'm very good at doing that. Getting a bit carried away and I'm like, oh shit. Because if I do that, that'll just get cured like a big lump of Acrygel.
Did I tell you that my ex-boyfriend told me he'd break up with me if I ever put diamonds on my nails?
Yes, you
So
did.
this is for you, babe.
This is for you, babe. I mean, what kind of idiot of a man tells his
exactly.
girlfriend that he's going to split up with her if she puts bling on her nails? I mean, he's got to go anyway.
He'll definitely watch this as well.
He
was forced to watch this for so long. I would always watch the videos at night.
Yeah, he's got to go. It's like, no.
We don't need that sort of negativity.
No. Regarding bling, I mean, what planet is he on?
Absolutely. Not mine.
No. Or was it he wanted you to remain really like normal and just play?
He just wasn't supportive of my eccentric nail dreams.
He needed to go. I'm glad he's an ex. So I'm top coating without curing the Acrygel. This will make the Acrygel have 0 sticky layer. And we can press in the stones. And it'll kind of create a bit of a pool around the stones, which is pretty cool. Holding them on tightly, like for dear life.
Oh my god, it looks amazing. It's everything I wanted.
Is it?
Pretty much, yeah.
Just need to flatten that a little bit. So if you see it really jumping out, you can flatten it and then go back in with your top coat to give it that smooth finish. Then we're going to add some Bling, just for the X. I hope his new girlfriend wears loads of bling. and he
I hope he doesn't have a new girlfriend.
And he looks at it and he's like,
I'll just email him this video.
yeah. Saying, haha, mother,
I think he'll be secretly quite impressed that I'm having my nails done by you.
Oh, well, that would be nice.
Yeah.
He's just jealous, that's all. He wanted all the bling. That's what
I
it
think
is.
that's exactly what it is, yeah.
I think you might be in the right place there. I think that's definitely.
Because if he couldn't have the bling, then you couldn't have the bling. It's one of those controlling types.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
100%.
Right, look at that for a bit of bling.
Wow.
Pop those into the lamp.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Liza Minnelli.
Yeah.
Liza Minnelli would be very, very proud
I think she
that you
would.
have used her character as inspiration and come up with such an amazing design with my help. Just saying.
They're perfect.
So Liza, if you want your nails done, Liza Manel, if you want your nails done, I'm here, girl. I will do your nails. Oh, just look. What?
They are.
And you've
so
still got your
fantastic.
natural nails underneath. So let's add a little bit of cuticle oil underneath. Look at that. It's still got your natural nails. So you can take them off and still.
I mean, I'm not going to take them off.
I know.
Ever.
Ever.
There'll come a time when
You're just going to keep putting
Yeah.
your aquamarine, turquoise, teal,
Layer upon layer.
layer upon layer like you had when you came in.
Yeah.
When you had your layer upon layer upon layer of nail varnish. Are they perfect?
Yes.
Are they fit for, what was the film? Cabaret.
Cabaret. I think so.
Fit for Liza Minnelli, Cabaret. I think what we need is we need to dress you up now in the whole...
I know, I need the wig and the
Yes.
fake lashes.
Yes.
I wonder if Pauletta left any of her fake lashes here.
Maybe.
He definitely left one in the toilet. She did, sorry.
Left one in the toilet.
I wonder about eyelashes.
I thought you were about something else. So, y'all guys, a gorgeous aquamarine. God, I can't even say
Aquamarine
it.
dream.
Aquamarine dream. Beautiful. Inspired by Cabaret. Take your seats for Cabaret. It's Cabaret. That's not off its toilet. That's
not.
off something else. But yeah, okay. Everything I've used today will be listed below. I hope you found this video educational, and I'll see you in the next video. Say bye-bye, Izzy.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Adam.
Bye.
Bye. Just add a little bit of
That time of day again, isn't it?
Was he a controlling type? Are we best not going there?
You don't have to go there on camera.